Good day everyone. We will be presenting our case analysis on internal control system and risk management, focusing on the issue of the classroom noise disruption at Parañaque City College. Parañaque City College is a growing educational institution that aims to provide quality learning to students across various programs.
However, PCC faces an operational risk classroom noise. Classes are disrupted by construction noise, loud hallways, nearby classroom, and even passing airplanes, which affect both teaching and learning.
This noise disruption is considered an operational and environmental risk because it directly affects student concentration, academic performance, and classroom productivity.
The root causes include lack of soundproofing, construction activities during class hours, poor hallway discipline, and absence of formal noise monitoring system.
To address this risk, PCC should implement sound-absorbing materials, establish a noise monitoring system, and reschedule construction activities outside class hours.
Preventive, detective, and corrective controls are applied to minimize noise disturbance and ensure continuous learning.
Posting visible signages in hallways and classrooms helps remind students and staff to maintain silence and respect ongoing classes. In conclusion, noise disruption is a serious operational risk. By strengthening internal controls, PCC create a more effective, comfortable, and productive learning environment. This case shows how internal control systems are not only applicable in businesses, but also in educational institutions like PCC.
Sabi mo ba? And even passing airplanes, which affect
Disruption is considered